everybody, and welcome to my channel. We are back out here in my yard today working on the canoe. We are going to get all of that tape and sticky stuff off the sides of the canoe. I found a good way to get it off. I got goof off, I got goo off, and I got a paint scraper and a sponge and a hose, and we're just going to soak it and soak it and soak it, and then we're going to take this paint scraper and we're going to scrape all of this tape off. I'm going to hose it down really good and then maybe sand it with an electric sander in the end, but right now it's looking pretty good. I think we got a good method. So I'm gonna get to it and get this tape off my canoe. Progress is being made. I got this side of the canoe all done. There's no more goo on it. There's no more tape on it. Just all metal. Looks pretty good. Pretty good. And now I just have to do this side, which, as you guys can see, is all this tape. I've scraped the top of it, but all on the side here is all this tape. So we are gonna get to scraping it off. See, this is what it looks like once I scrape it, and then I put it in that bucket. So yeah, gotta get that tape off the outside. So I got tape on the inside here, and I've got tape on the outside. Actually, this side's not looking too bad, but once you get a little bit further, you guys can see it. We got to get all that off. So we are actually making progress because I got one side of it done already. Well, the top and the outside. Haven't touched the inside yet. But yeah, pretty good. And it's beautiful out. It's a little warm, but beautiful out. So it's good weather to be out here. Bella's out here. Hey, come here. Come here. See? We played a little bit. Yeah. Getting some shade. What are you doing? What are you doing under here? Oh, what was that? Tell me, want ice cube? Do you want to go get an ice cube? Let's go get one. Let's go get one. Anyway, back to the canoe. Well, check it out. Took me forever. I got all the tape off. Okay guys, so the top and the sides of the canoe are done. The sides of it did get scratched up a little bit, so I'm gonna have to redo them, which is okay. I figured I'd have to. it already has so much wear and tear, and I used it one time, which is crazy to me, but whatever. The sides and the top are done. I gotta do the inside now, which seems like it's gonna be a lot harder. I'm not too worried about scratching it. It's probably gonna happen, but the inside is this fiberglass looking, it's textured already, so I'm not too worried about it. If I do scratch it, I'll just repaint it. I do have a can of tan, I think, laying around that I can just spray that with. So yeah, we're making pretty good progress.